Roadies, hello to you out there today on this cold winter morning. And I just wanted to have just a quick minute to tell you a little bit about this week's cruise video. This stop was in Roatan, Honduras. And let me tell you what, it was a whole bowl of wax emotions. It was kind of a scary situation with us going around on the tour buses and seeing soldiers in the back of pickups and jeeps with their guns, and the barred up windows and the businesses behind these big tall chain walls and that kind of thing. And then to get up into the beautiful mountainside with all the greenery, lush jungle type foliage and the beautiful scenery around. It was just kind of a mishmash of scary but beautiful all at the same time. And then to top it off, Wally and I got brave and actually did a zipline adventure. And that was just like a combination of scary, exhilarating, and wonderful, exciting all at the same time as well. And the fact that I did it, I am just so proud of myself, because anybody who knows me through my life, I have always been a scaredy cat, a chicken, not really brave to try new things, and I did it. I could not believe how brave I was, even though you'll see in a couple of the pictures before we go that the worried look on my face is very evident. But once I was in the air and going, I actually opened my eyes and looked around, and I was just totally hooked from that moment on, and I couldn't get enough of it. And so I will definitely be ziplining again in the future, and it was a blast, and you'll be able to see the pictures on that. And so that was really kind of a great experience for us to be able to have together as a couple, and to be able to have this whole cruise as a family, and just to enjoy time together. And of course you'll see Summer sharing one of her little animals that the steward cabin boy left for her again. She just gets so tickled with those little animals that he makes for her. So enjoy the pictures, and we'll see you next week at our next destination, which I believe will be Belize. So enjoy, and see you next time. See you on the road, and safe travels. Hello, I'm Lee.
And I'm Wally.
And this is Summer. And we are 3 for the Road RV.